Come on along. Hey guys, I'm back at it again. Wow. This project I don't need these on anymore, do I? I gotta show you. Show you. I was remodeling my front room here back in the spring. In my house, in the old house, and it was a screened in porch, and I put a new knotty pine ceiling up and blah blah blah. Tore the old typical farmhouse drop ceiling, yellow fiberglassy, ugly blah 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 out of there. And what do you think I discovered? I discovered an old knob and tube light fixture that was put up back in, I don't know when, the house got electrified. I'm going to show you yeah, I'm making something out of it. There's a number right there that says 1916. I don't think it's 9161. I think it's 1916. Don't know if you all can see that. Maybe I should look in the viewfinder and see with you. There you go, 1916. So I'm guessing that's when that started being cast. And I love cast iron. Just ask anybody that knows me. I'm a cast iron freak. So what I did here, I'll show you, is I took a 1-inch washer. I got to get some that aren't galvanized. I got to get some just black ones. And I took some little 1/4-inch or 3/16 rod, flattened the ends. I TIG welded them in there. And then they got this other stuff because this is cast iron on Irani. I use silica bronze, and you won't wreck. You can weld dissimilar metals to each other. Each other, like brothers? No, that would be wrong. Not like brothers. Anyways, so I show you. I'm making something here. It's going to sit on my end table in my house. Or if you want to buy it for about $2,000, I'll sell it to you. But this is just how my mind is starting to work again. This is a candelabra base. A bulb, blah. Pick it up at Menards for a couple of bucks. Snap. It's in there. I got to route the wire to the hole here. So my debate here today is, let me plug this puppy in. My debate is, when I got these bulbs, they were all, there's these fancy, expensive, I don't know where I was at Maynard's before the crisis hit, and they have these. This is a smoke colored, and I got amber glow 40 water. So my big dilemma here is, which one do I want? See, this is just going to sit on the side table next to me. Oop, we got to get you in the frame. And I got two different globes here. A white one, milk white, I don't know what they call that. And this stuff is still made today because everything is still the 3 1/4. So my debate is that I can see into the crystal ball. You're going to live another day. Okay. We got to see what we're up to here, see? I'm playing, and I haven't done this in a long time because my mind has just been elsewhere. Now this is only 25 water. Or do we go with the white light? I'm looking. Or let's just one up this. Maybe I should just have them there on the table next to me. And then when I feel like it, I just switch them over. What do you think? Psychedelic. Boy, I got no brains today. So what do you guys think? Comment. Let me know. We're going to try this one now. And yes, it was all original up on the ceiling above the this base. I think it's just cool as all get out. So this is what I like to do in my spare time. And lately there's been a lot of it, and I just haven't had the ambition. Today I got the ambition. So what do you think? Clear? I like that. I really like the yellowish look. It's old school, cool, and it, you know, doesn't it look like? Yes. Oh, Donald Trump is gonna win the election. I can see it in my crystal ball. Oh, goodness gracious me. Yeah, so I'm just playing around. I'm actually gonna take it in the house tonight and plug her in and... Oh, that's such a soft light though, see? Moon Baby Zappa. Doesn't it just bring you back? Brings you back to the days of Fred Flintstone and Elmer Fudd and Archie Bunker. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed this. I just think this is just cool. So if you got one of these laying around in your house, you know, or if you find old cast iron still intact, send it to me. I'll make something out of it. And then I took, and here's what I did. I'll tell you the secret. I went retro look. I went with stove black, flat black paint. You know, that's what it would have been back in the day. And as Henry Ford says, you can have any color as long as it's black. All right, bon voyage, and we'll see you guys. And I'm gonna have to sit there by the moonlight and just, you know, check my aura. Check out and see what I'm going to do, what I feel like that night, and keep all these balls playing there and play around. Enough of me yapping. Thanks for watching. Maybe next time I'll do a video on how I did this. It wasn't hard. All right, talk to you later. Stay safe and see you. Take care. Bye.